Welcome to AQA Computer Science Lessons, and today we are going to start our new topic, arrays in pseudocode. So guys, in the last lesson we have discussed about the list, right? And we understand that list means a collection of organized data, right? And we do some Python programs as well, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me what is arrays? I explained you this thing already.
An array is a collection of several data values in an organized way.
Very good. An arrays is a collection of data, right? Okay. Now,
Yeah.
we already learned that the arrays means that we are storing a values in a form of a list, right, or in a data structure. Assigning values to an array is exactly the same in pseudocode as in Python. So you write names like this, and you write is equals to, isn't it? In Python, then you write brackets, and then you write names. Do you remember we did this? A, comma, B,
Yes, sir.
comma, C. So look, this is assigning the values. I'm assigning it because I'm using is equals to. See this. So when you're
Yeah.
using a result, this is an array name and it is having an data integer. So how many elements it have?
It has 4 elements.
4 elements. It means that the elements are the float or real because they are having a decimal, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is the value of the result 1? Result 1.
Result 1 is 12.3
Very good. Because array start from 0,
because
1, 2, and 3. Do you understand
yeah.
why you are confused today?
Yes.
I
Sir,
found
I'm
your
not confused.
I feel you are confused today, but you have to be relaxed, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, no need to nervous because you are habitual of my lectures, and I'm not as scary as you are thinking. So relax रहो, टेंशन नहीं लो तुम, ठीक है? अच्छा,
Okay, sir.
इजी रहो, बिल्कुल इजी रहो, जो तुम्हें नहीं आएगा आई विल टीच यू, ठीक है? अच्छा, शाम से
Okay.
पॉइंट पर आते हैं कि arrays we already know is a data structure. Remember I made this diagram like that in the previous lesson and I draw the rows like that.
Yes, sir.
Right, and in this row we write some names like I write Ali, I write Sana, yes, okay. And I write Max, I write John, and so on, right?
Yeah.
You're right. Tony. So you see, these are the names, isn't it? These are the names. I store the names in my array, and the name of my array is names. What is the name of my array?
Yes.
Names.
Names.
Right? So you can put any name of your data. It does not matter. Right?
Yeah.
So this is how I insert my data. What are these things called? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
The index.
Very good. That's the confidence I needed. Yes. So, append. What is the meaning of append? Append means
To
add something.
insert a value
Uh-huh,
into the
exactly. To add value. Simple. Append
yeah.
means to add the value. So, when you write append, it means you are adding something into your array. Pseudocode does not have the append command. We use in Python to add a value. So, append we use in Python, right?
Yes, sir.
So you write countries. This is a blank array. You write countries 0 Brazil, Uruguay, Argentina. So you append these values into your array up there into the countries. So in this way, you're going to input values into an array. But remember, Shanze, when you are making an array, see this, the values are moving one after another. So what thing we need to write there? Which statement we need to apply here when we move from one to another? Look, I'm making an arrows. What does it mean?
We have to use a loop.
Very good. Need to use a loop here. So which type of loop we are using here? We need to use a loop for next loop because in arrays you know the number of iterations. In arrays you know the number of iteration. Tell me in this names how many times your loop iterate?
So it iterates 6 times.
Yes, dear, you are absolutely right. Now I'm feeling I'm teaching Shanzi. Yes. So in pseudocode, a for loop counts from start to stop value, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion?
No.
Let's move on. So when you are using a result, do you remember result? In result, we have some numbers, 12.1, 13.1 up there. Okay, for
Yeah.
I 0 to 9, it means how many times your loop is iterating?
10 times.
Very good. Result of I, you need to input by the user. So the result in I, what is I? I means index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I means, come on, index.
Index.
And with the help of index, you're going to input the elements like that. So this is a
Yeah.
very, very simple thing, I think. So this
Yeah.
loop will add 10 values. So you are adding 10 values. Look, you add 31, you add 29, you add 61. Let's suppose you are adding 45, right? In this way, you are adding the values. Any confusion?
No.
Now, output and array, simple. When you are going to use an output, definitely you are going to use an output results with I. Simple. So the whole thing is right here, output results. In Python, you simply write output. But in pseudocode, you write like this. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is how a simple array works. Okay. Now, okay. I'm going to do some questions with you on Python, right? Because I think in your exam you need to sit on computer, right? Did you sit on computer in P2 or
Yes,
you are
sir.
doing the handwritten paper?
Sir, I only did the theory because you said after we complete this chapter, we would do